Hey everybody, Ellen here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the cabin air filter in a 2017 Toyota Camry SE. Procedures will be similar for most Camry models from 2012 to 2017, but be sure to know the specifics of your vehicle before getting started. Once you've got your new cabin air filter, here's what you'll do. Open your glove box and remove the contents. There's a panel at the back of the compartment that can be removed by releasing it at the right end. With that panel removed, you'll see the filter cover. Release the filter cover from the clips on both sides to remove it. Now you should be able to slide the old filter out of the housing. For some models, you may need to remove the housing tray with the filter still seated in it. Check the filter housing for dust and debris and clean it out if needed. Install your new cabin air filter or filter and tray into the housing with the airflow arrows pointing up. Put the filter cover back into place and re-engage the clips on both sides to secure it. Replace the rear panel by sliding the notches on the short end into their slots and snapping it into place. Put anything you removed back into the glove box and close it. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all of our new video content. We'll see you again soon.